Okay, here we are at the start of the Lone Star Hiking Trail. That's Matt. And this is a trailhead. It's about 9:15 in the morning. Great day. It's about 57 degrees. There's the start of the trailhead right there. And as we get down the trail, we'll be doing some more videoing. We're past mile marker number 1. Headed to mile marker number 2, doing about 2 miles an hour. It's a beautiful day. It's about 60 when we got out of the car. Really nice tall pines. Really nice section, nice and shady.
The trail to ourselves.
We do. The whole trail to ourselves. Not a car in the parking lot. Saw a couple of hunters' cars, but we hope that they're way off the trail. More later. So that I give you a view of the really nice piney forest standing straight up just like cordwood.
Yeah, but it looks like we can solve it with just one cut over there.
So we're out here with the LHHT trail workers. They're clearing the trail for us, and they're doing a good job.
Yeah, we'll just. This is a mess over there.
It wouldn't take much to.
Here we are at Little Lake Creek Wilderness. Matt lurking in the shadows. We're on the Little Lake Creek on the wilderness area, and we've come to this bridge. Got nice steps. Going up, going down. And you know how I hate steps. But we have found no water in any of the creeks or arios today. They're all completely dry, even the deepest ones. We're about a mile past our campsite for the night, It's Saturday and we run across this bridge, which looks kind of rickety, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I sent you across first.
Little treacherous on this end.
Creek's dry. Oh, I saw this on a video back the guy did in May. And there's an alligator over here. Yeah. Pretty sure this was it. And this was full. They did it back in the summer. I might just throw them down there. Damn holes. Okay, we're right here at the not a designated campsite by Lake Conroe. And these two wild men here.
How's it going?
Gonna spend the night here. Got a group down there. They passed us last night down there. Check out this campsite. Right by the lake.
Everybody coming down here.
Did I hear Whataburger? So you guys are already talking about food and you brought a whole carload.
Yeah, we're talking about beer now.
Beers. I'm a wine guy, so.
My two daughters, they both complain when they go.
How old are they?
10 and 11.
Well, that's easy to complain, but they'll still remember it.
Yeah.
And now both my daughters are really into getting out.
You're not drinking beer, are you?
You can't.
Drinking beer.
I wish I was.
These are the wild men that came by us last night. There's Matt. Hi, Matt.
Other Matt right here.
Yeah.
I just want a beer and a burger. Hey, does anybody deliver?
In that order, too.
Yeah.
Maybe.
In that order, please.
Beer first, burger second.
And then
beer
another
third.
beer.
Yeah, right? And a shot in between all of it.
There you go.
Hey, maybe by boat service, eh?
Ah, there we go. There
I
we go.
mean, hey, all those restaurants are on the lake.
Hey, Papa's on the Lake is literally like right over that way.
All right.
Let's just walk it.
Hey, we should yak this sometime. I want to break the yaks out.
You got
I'm
one?
gonna buy one.
I got one. It's not anything fancy.
We can go yak up the Pecos, man.
Anyway, this is the campsite.
You guys can always come up to Austin and do Ladybird Lake. Any given day, driving past that lake, you look out and it's
Well, we're on a section just past 1374, and the trail has been very, very nice. This whole section, extremely flat with very little tree crossings. We had to do a crossing that was like an under the bridge crossing. But very, very nice this morning. What's the temperature?
Probably about 70.
About 70. Nice cool breeze. It's I don't know, it's about 10:30. Pretty easy walk today. So we'll see you next time around. So we came to this log walk. So Matt's gonna try it first. Go, Matt. Perfect.
No problem. Yep. Go ahead.
All right, here we go. Yay,
All right, good job.
made it. Awesome.
That's all, folks.